I'm going to show you how to add a post, update files, use Form Publisher, add and create blocks, a new job opening. Cave Consulting, transforming the way you work. Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use the campaign tool on your GforGov website. First, on your admin page, you will locate Campaign Finance in the left sidebar. To edit an entry that is already there, you will either select the title or hover over the title and select Edit. To add a new campaign, simply select Add New at the top. The first thing you will want to enter is the title, which is usually a name. Next, you will want to enter the link for the application. If this is a Google Drive link, be sure that the document is in your website's folder, and that this remains selected as Yes. If it is not a Google Drive link, be sure to select No before you insert your link. After that, select the date of filing here. I will use today's date. On your right, you'll notice an Offices tab. Be sure to add and/or select an office for your campaign here. Once all of that is complete, select Publish. Then return to your site to ensure that everything looks correct. You can also search for records with a detail in common in this search bar, including the candidate, office, or filing date.